Never put these foods in your fridge, otherwise you won't even know how you died. Onions are intolerant to low temperatures. Once placed in the refrigerator, starch is instantly converted into sugar and mold can easily grow on the onion. Ginger cannot tolerate low temperatures. Once refrigerated, the water inside will soften quickly. Then large amounts of bacteria will supply across the fruit. Once consumed, liver and kidney failure can quickly result. Garlic sprouts quickly in cold conditions. Sprouted garlic is prone to mold growth, eventually leading to cancer. The best way to keep garlic is to seal it and keep the oxygen inside. Ready to discover the secrets of natural healing? Click the link in bio for your free beginner's guide ebook and start elevating your wellness game today.